everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Day, I lost count, 24? Yes, 24. Ah, look at this. This is happiness on paper. I love this. We are continuing in 31 Miniatures to Color Tell Halloween by Kameliya and Jakova, and we are going to do this little guy. I grabbed some colors, these ones, the gray ones. It's a cute palette, I guess. It's getting more difficult to be creative with the colors, but I think this one is going to be fun. It is going to be a gray, dark gray bats with some pink in the ears, the nose, maybe the lip. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to do a, let me think again, what was it? Green knapsack, bag. I don't know what you call it. Yellow is for the numbers and the bow, and the little rope and the accents on the numbers will be in a brownish color. Eyes always the same palette because I love that. So I got my color palette and I got something to drink. Maybe you will do the same and follow me with this cute page. So let's have some fun. He is really cute. And I love how the effect on the wings and the ears. This is a perfect color. The muted. It's really soft, not too bright. It's called Cotton Pearl. It's E020. And I love this as a base for the inside of ears. So, great page. Lots of fun to color this one. And we are going to leaves. Number 24. I almost going to say I'm going to miss it. When I'm finished, I'm taking this pink. Because this is one of my daily routines right now, is to color a page. So here we go. Number 24 done. Love it, love it, love it. All right. Number 25. What are we going to do tomorrow, folks? Let's see. Oh yeah, I think this is the only one in this entire book that I don't have any idea what to do with it. Yeah, except brown. Because it's really a big surface. Some leaves, little spider. Well, I have no idea yet. It's easy to color because you just do brown, the leaves green, and a little spider gray, and the eyes. But I'm going to think about it, maybe going to do something different. I have no idea yet, but still have one night to sleep over it. So we are getting along really, really well. Only a couple of pages to go. Yeah, 7 pages left. It's almost sad when you have finished it. It is fun to finish a book, but it's also really sad. I'm gonna miss this. But there are still a couple of cute pages to go. So looking forward to that one. We're not done yet. It's not the 31st yet. So thank you so much for joining me again. I hope you have fun. I hope you're still following along. Post your pages on Instagram and share them with all the other people who have joined us. And I wish you a good night or good morning. Have a good rest of the day, and I would love to see you in the next video. Oh, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.